didn't subscribe on the last video.
Oh my god, he fell.
If you haven't, that's okay.
Are you okay?
If you haven't, that's okay. But
Wow.
let's start getting into the next one, okay?
How did he do that?
2, 1.
He is my favorite actor in the whole world.
Run said.
That's one of the most
And then you
coolest
told me
toy in the world. How did he get that?
Look at it. Look at it.
Why is he looking back and forth?
Need to stand. Yeah, here we go. Anyways.
What was that?
Oh, you want more of the video?
We didn't
Why
even
didn't you
ask.
just say so? Let's get to the next part. Color! Let me move this. Sorry, that was
I
from
wonder what practice video it was.
There we go. Move it up there. Okay. Let's get ready to write and draw.
We should draw a flower.
What should I draw? I don't know. I'm gonna pick a random color. Who's the lucky winner? Green? Huh. Well, I'll think of something and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I thought of what I was gonna draw. It's gonna be a bunny. So first off, we start with the head. Then
What kind of ear is that?
perfect. We go like that for the inside. Then we do the eyes.
That's so cute.
Nose. Yeah, the smile.
You got in the ear. Can you got in the eye now. I think that's enough. No, you gotta open the mouth. Okay.
But remember, we have to go around all the noses and stuff, so we don't blend it in. Boop, 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 boop. And then
That was a cool sound. I feel like I heard it from somewhere.
draw their legs. And sit down. And then draw the tail. And then draw a heart up here. Wait a minute. Let me get the pink to color
My
the ears,
favorite
nose.
color is pink.
Yeah. Oh, I need to color the toes. Yeah. And then
Why is he
the
drawing hearts around a bunny?
Okay, see you in a minute. Back with the pink.
Finally, he's
Right here.
back. It took ages. What is he doing now?
And then up here. And up there. Perfect. And then color in the ears. And then color in the nose. Perfect. Wait, I forgot the toes. E, 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 e. Oh, e, 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 e. It has nails. And this down there hurt. And I did it. I drew a bunny. Yeah. Well, I'll get to the next drawing in a minute. Guys, I told you I was going to do a second picture because this one's amazing. And I'm sorry. I can't. I have to get to editing this video. So, see you later. Next video. This is Bomb Channel. Subscribe, comment, share, and like. Bye.